This video will demonstrate how to use the Inspire database to assist elementary students in grades K-5 with research on any subject matter, as well as how to access the full-text unlimited access ebook collection available to Indiana residents. This is the Inspire website. Inspire is a service of the Indiana State Library, and the web address is www.inspire.in.gov. The easiest way to find the databases most helpful to your student's age group is to look at the databases by subject tiled. Then scroll down to the Student Search K-6 section. From there, you will click on Explora for Elementary Schools. Explora for Elementary Schools contains articles from encyclopedias, newspapers, journals, and other print and electronic resources. These articles are vetted, reliable sources and are recommended for research projects over using Google or Wikipedia. To search for a subject in Explora, simply type in your search terms at the search bar at the top and click the yellow search button. For this example, we will search Indiana. Now you can see the search results, starting with the topic overview from a primary encyclopedia. The first three results that come up are full-text ebooks, followed by a reference encyclopedia article. If you would like to only search by a certain type of source, such as only ebooks or only encyclopedias, you can limit the source types by clicking on the boxes on the left side of the screen. If we sort by only ebooks, for example, you will then see that there are now only 13 results. You can choose how you would like to view your search results from there. So for the first item, an ebook by Julie Murray, titled Indiana, you can see a PDF full text or do a full download. You can also add the item to a folder for quick reference and/or viewing later. Now we will go back to the databases by subject, tiled, and look at the Indiana's K-8 ebook collection. The ebook collection housed within Inspire contains over 75,000 full-text unlimited access ebooks. The collection is divided into subject categories, including both children's fiction and children's nonfiction. For example, if we click Children's and Young Adult Fiction and scroll down just a bit, we see a book called Little Otter Learns to Swim. To see the full book, you can click PDF full text, and here we are. As you can see, the book comes up in full color, full text for you to scroll through right on your screen. So whether your student needs a book for research or a book for pleasure reading, the choices here are wide across many genres and interests. If you have any questions about using Inspire, please contact the Indiana State Library. Thank you.